In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. This process involves navigating through several sections of the Mailchimp account settings. By the end, you will successfully cancel your subscription. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, locate the account and billing option in the left-hand navigation menu. This section is typically found towards the bottom of the menu. Once you click on account and billing, you will be directed to the billing section where you can manage your subscription. After that, find and click on the billing tab. This will take you to a new page that displays your current billing information and subscription details. It is essential to be on this page to continue with the cancellation process. Once you are on the billing page, look for the billing information option and click on it. This section contains critical details about your subscription, including your payment methods and past invoices. Review this information to ensure you are in the correct place before proceeding. Then click on the billing and payment link. This will provide you with further options related to your subscription and payment settings. Be patient as the page loads and ensure all necessary details are visible. Now find the cancel subscription button and click on it. This action will prompt a confirmation message on the screen. Carefully read the information provided in this message, as it will outline the consequences of cancelling your subscription, including any potential loss of data or functionality. After reviewing the confirmation message, follow any additional prompts to finalize the cancellation. This may include selecting a reason for your cancellation. Once complete, you should receive a confirmation that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. It is advisable to check your email for a confirmation message as well, which serves as proof of your cancellation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.